Hello students, how are you? Today we will be studying about memory in computer. So let's start now. First we see what is memory. Memory is used to store our data and information into computer. The files we are storing in our computer take space in computer and it is stored in the memory of the computer. Now see types of computer memory. There are two types of memory. First is primary memory and second is secondary memory. Primary memory. Primary memory is the main memory of the computer which can be directly accessed by the CPU. So its speed is fast but it stores our data and information temporarily. Means when the light goes off or you don't save your files, all our data goes off. When electricity goes, your data goes from the computer. Means it is temporary in nature. Secondary memory. Secondary memory refers to external storage devices that are used to store our data and information permanently. Yes, this memory stores our data permanently. When we save our file in computer, it saves in hard disk of computer. You see here, this is hard disk. It is a secondary storage device and all our files are stored in hard disk. So many files we can store in hard disk of computer. And we can also store our data in secondary storage device like CD. And this is pen drive. You can store your data in pen drive also. It stores our data permanently. These are the secondary storage devices that stores our data and information permanently. But in primary memory, data are not stored permanently. You see here, I have explained primary memory and secondary memory. You see the secondary memory, I have explained hard disk, CD and pen drive. Now see, primary memory is also of two types, RAM and ROM. RAM stands for random access memory. RAM stands for random access memory. It is also known as read and write memory. Why we call it read and write memory? Because in this memory we can read and as well as write. It stores data until machine is working. As soon as the machine is switched off, data is erased. Suppose you are typing your file and light goes off, your data, all data erased from the computer. Yes, this is a temporary in nature. Next is ROM. ROM stores information essential to operate the system, like the program essential to boot the computer. The program which is necessary for booting, starting the computer are stored in ROM, and ROM stands for read-only memory. Read-only means you can only read the data stored in ROM. You can't write anything in ROM. And it is non-volatile. We can't change the data written in ROM.